Ladies and gentlemen, for the transfer challenge, we're going to start with the inside. Yes, we're going to use this one. 5311. 5311. There is only one way out.
The price a little bit and always take the moment to explain how the medical system works in a country. Like I said, maybe at the end, you might want to take those open taxes and take it to the new man. But the Medicare, the last one that is called review, we go in and not even 5 minutes. Excuse me. Yes. Which one? The black one? Yeah. No, that guy's diving for oyster. Still alive. So they kind of whack it a couple of times to the back of the head. Get it all cleaned up. All you have to do is go home and throw it on the fire. You cannot get it any fresher than that. Believe me. How about 3 weeks ago, 20 pounds of money. Devil's Cave. The Devil's Cave. There's a couple stories that said that the devil is dead. Actually, the devil is at home. Wow. Took her to work this morning. So it's the devil. And every time I go over here, I gotta go visit my mother. But don't get me wrong, she's the same. My wife is the devil. But she's done work.
Sí, antes de irme le llevo unas 2 bolsitas. Ahorita lo voy a atender, ¿eh? Te voy a mandar ahora.
touching anything right now with your hands. If you want to go ahead. Just gonna, I'll tell it to kind of put it on the prime a little bit, because sometimes they take longer to cook, and when you're making a salsa, it'll take longer. So right now, get ready. Oh. That's the funny, so you do the turning for that. You can do it. Try to put the tomatillos on the side. It's lava rock. Yeah.
taco. Yeah, right.
The chef table.
Yeah,
You good?
it's lovely.
¿Poquito o mucho? A lot or a little?
More? Yeah,
Más?
you can do more, yeah.
A big guy, eh?
Look out for the crew. We'll try to make it. Come here. Lettuce. Onion. Usually when you go to a taqueria, Mexican place, but that's a tacos in Mexico. Pickled onion. We usually use habanero in. So it's a white or red onion. If you go and you see orange spot, habanero. Oh, we got two people tasting. Look at Carlos, he's a whole lot. We make tequila in Mazatlán, it's called Osuna. Very good. When we get to the terminal, and you're heading back to the boat, you're gonna see a pharmacy, the main market, then a lot, and parking lot, pharmacy.
Oh, that's good.